Assalamu alaikum. Let's keep going with our Arabic studies from Durusul Lughah book volume 1. We are on chapter 3 now. This time we are going to talk about definite and indefinite nouns. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about some new vocabulary. We will focus on learning about definite and indefinite articles, and then we will see how they work with nouns. Alright, let's dive into the Arabic text in the book. Make sure you really focus on what you are reading. Baytun, al-baytu, qalamun, al-qalamu, kitabun, al-kitabu, jamalun, al-jamalu. Do you notice anything special about these pairs of words? Is there a pattern you can see? Yes, you are right. The words on the right are words that have tanween at the end. Baytun, qalamun, kitabun, jamalun. The words on the left are different. They have a little word in front of them called definite article. This word tells us that we are talking about a specific thing. When we add definite article al, the tanween goes away. So to recap, when you put al in front of a word, the tanween at the end disappears. I repeat, the definite article al is prefixed to a noun. It causes the tanween at the end is dropped. Al-baytu, al-qalamu, al-kitabu, al-jamalu. Baytun, qalamun, kitabun, jamalun are words that in Arabic are called an-nakirah or indefinite noun. Al-baytu, al-qalamu, al-kitabu, al-jamalu are words that in Arabic are called al-معرفة or definite noun. Okay, so now you know that to make a noun specific or definite, you just prefix definite article al to the beginning and take away the tanween. Okay, now here is the tricky part. How do we say these special words in English? Well, remember that tanween is like an indefinite article, so it's like saying a or an in English. Al is definite article. It corresponds to the English the. Let's translate this Arabic text. We can do it now. Baytun, a house. Al-baytu, the house. Qalamun, a pen. Al-qalamu, the pen. Kitabun, a book. Al-kitabu, the book. Jamalun, a camel. Al-jamalu, the camel. Okay, to make sure we really get this, let's look at a simple sentences together. Let's read it out loud. Al-qalamu maksurun. Al-babu maftuhun. Al-waladu jalisun. Wal-mudarrisu waqifun. I will translate it into English so you can learn some new words. Pay attention. Write these new words down and try to remember them. Let's go. Al-qalamu, the pen. Maksurun, broken. القلم مكسور. The pen is broken. الباب the door. مفتوح open. الباب مفتوح. The door is open. الولد the boy. جالس sitting. والمدرس the teacher. واقف standing. الولد جالس والمدرس واقف. The boy is sitting and the teacher is standing. Summary. Tanwin is indefinite article. A noun that is ended with tanwin is called indefinite noun or an-nakirah. Example, baytun. Definite article in Arabic is al. In Arabic is called lamut ta'rif. Lamut ta'rif. If definite article al is prefixed to indefinite noun, the noun becomes definite or al-ma'rifah and also causes the tanwin at the end to be dropped. Example, baytun becomes al-baytu. Terms. Definite article, harf التعريف or لام التعريف. Definite noun, اسم معرفة. Indefinite noun, اسم نكرة. Okay, we are at the end of this video. Now you know all about definite and indefinite articles and how they work with nouns. In the next video, we will talk more about sentences that use these special nouns. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Wassalamu alaikum.